YCQ9 Dual Power Automatic Transfer Switch newly launched. Compared with YCS1 series, the available space is increased by at least 30%. The rotating gear is located in the middle of the product for convenient manual operation. Equipped with a fast synchronous motor, the conversion time is as low as 2 seconds to ensure power supply continuity. With 10 times the switching capacity, it ensures 100% making and breaking of the motor in the starting state, providing enhanced electrical safety. No additional short-circuit busbar needed for more convenient wiring.